Hello, friends. We've all been there, caught in a cycle of negativity, constantly battling thoughts of lack and self-doubt. Maybe you've caught yourself saying, I am poor, or I am not good enough. But did you know that these negative affirmations can actually create negative realities? It's time to break free from these self-imposed limitations. So, how do we ignite the transformative force within ourselves? It starts by aligning with higher principles. By embracing positivity, gratitude, and a deep connection to the universe, we expedite the manifestation of our desires. Remember, you are part of something much greater than yourself. Believe that you are already abundant. Embrace the belief that your dreams are not distant goals, but rather they are already part of your reality. The power lies within your I am affirmations, shaping your self-concept and allowing you to define yourself on your own terms. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the extraordinary power of manifestation. Today, we delve into the incredible potential of I am affirmations and how they can shape our reality. Picture this. You wake up every morning feeling empowered and abundant, knowing that your dreams are within reach. Sounds incredible, right? Well, with the power of I am affirmations, you can make this your reality. It's also essential to address the caution against overanalysis and doubt in the manifestation process. It's easy to get caught up in the how and when, but true manifestation requires trust and surrender. Allow yourself to let go and trust in the unfolding of your desires. So, are you ready to step into your true abundance? Are you ready to unlock the transformative power of I am affirmation? Join us on this journey of self-discovery and manifestation. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a step in your manifestation process. Okay, let's get started. Let's first understand how this affirmation I am is connected to God and universe. In the book of Exodus 3:14, God reveals himself to Moses through a burning bush. When Moses asks God what his name is, God responds with the phrase, I am who I am. This divine name signifies God's eternal and self-existent nature. It is a powerful declaration of God's identity and authority. The Hebrew phrase used here is IHWH, which is transliterated into English as Yahweh. This name carries great significance in the Jewish and Christian faiths. It emphasizes God's self-sufficiency, immutability, and timeless existence. By using this name, God is conveying his eternal nature and his sovereignty over all things. The declaration of I am who I am also implies that God is not limited by time or circumstances. He is not bound by human limitations, but rather he exists independently and unchangingly. This expression showcases God's absolute existence and unrivaled power. Furthermore, this divine name stems from the Hebrew verb to be and carries a sense of existence, becoming, and being present. In essence, God is saying that he is the one who is, was, and will be. He is the ultimate reality, the source of all existence, and the foundation of truth. The revelation of God's name as I am signifies the personal and intimate relationship he desires to have with his people. It demonstrates his willingness to guide, protect, and provide for those who trust in him. This divine name is a reminder of God's faithfulness, presence, and care throughout history. These two simple words, I am, hold immense power, the power to create and the power to manifest. You see, my friends, Successful individuals have long understood that they are active co-creators of their own reality. And it all starts with the affirmation I am. Uttering those sacred words, I am, ignites and attracts vital energy within ourselves and our surroundings. It is through these affirmations that we shape our reality simply by aligning our thoughts and emotions with what we desire. However, it's crucial to remember that speaking negatively, such as saying I am poor or I am unlucky, will only create a negative reality, trapping us in a cycle of despair. The power of I am should be used with unwavering conviction and faith. By invoking the name of Christ or truth, we amplify our affirmations of abundance and prosperity. Every word we speak is a decree that manifests in our reality. So, my friends, it's time to take control of our lives and define ourselves instead of letting the world define us. The affirmation I am holds within it the power to awaken the divine presence within us. It is a direct connection to the universe, the source of all creation. Just imagine the possibilities that lay before us if we tap into this immense power. But along with this power comes responsibility. We must practice patience, trust, and believe in the perfect timing of the divine. As we declare I am, we embark on a transformational journey, guided by the forces of the universe. It requires us to let go of our need to control and allow miracles to unfold naturally. Sometimes, my friends, we may question or analyze the manifestations that come our way. But remember, manifestations are not meant to be dissected with the mind. Instead, we need to feel them deeply in our hearts. It is through our emotions that we connect with the energy of the universe and allow miracles to flow effortlessly into our lives. Let me share a story with you to illustrate the incredible power of the affirmation I am. There once was a woman named Fatima who had always struggled with financial scarcity. She constantly repeated to herself, I am poor, I am poor. These words became her reality, and she lived in a constant state of lack. One day, Fatima stumbled upon the teachings of Conny Mendez, who shared the profound truth behind the words I am. Fatima decided to change her perspective, replacing her negative affirmations with positive ones. She began stating, I am abundant, I am prosperous. Over time, Fatima's reality began to shift. Opportunities she had never imagined started to come her way. The universe responded to her newfound belief in her own abundance, and she started attracting wealth and success into her life. Fatima's transformation was a testament to the power of the affirmation I am. And there you have it, my friends. The incredible power of the affirmation I am has the potential to manifest miracles in your life. So, if you resonated with this message and would like to learn more about harnessing the power of affirmations, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We have so much more to share with you on this transformative journey. We value your thoughts and would love to hear from you. What affirmations have you been practicing? How has the power of I am shifted your reality? Share your experiences in the comments section below. As you continue on your manifestation journey, may God bless you abundantly and may all your dreams become a reality. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, my friends.